Hey there, Pythonistas, School of Tomorrow students. I've taken the same framework from the last video, so if we'll go back and just look at the last project, it was this Galton Board idea of turtles falling from the heavens one by one and doing left, right, in a kind of a random pattern. So I'll just run that again for a second just to remind you. And this whole genre of turtles or other sprites taking a random path is related to what we call random walks. So you can look that up in different resources. You'll find that random walks is a very common and persistent meme. And oftentimes, just from tradition, they'll start with a lamppost and they'll have you picture somebody who's like falling down drunk, like really stumbling around. So let me get this running. I'll show you the kind of character I could use. I ended up just using a penguin, and then I decided the penguin was too big, so even though there is a penguin, you probably won't be able to see the penguin. So I'm doing just like before. I'm using the same pretty much framework of creating a pathway, except this time instead of left, right, and falling down, I'm starting at the base of the lamppost and just going north, south, east, west, which in the idiom of this canvas is up, down, left, right. West is to the left, east is to the right, north is up, south is down. Very typical of a map to be oriented in that way. And so what can you do with random walks? Well, you can study them, look for outliers, see who gets the furthest in distance, like straight line distance from the center. Are we getting kind of a circle pattern? Like there's the first time we got as far as the top of the lamppost in this particular run, and so forth. So use Codesters if you like to sort of introduce yourself to the topic. I can share this to the classroom and we can talk about it in class. We'll talk to you later.